Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. So my name is Babu Rao. In this video, we are going to discuss about the GSTR-3B live filing in the GST portal. So before entering into the topic, I request to you, everyone visiting my channel and watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos I upload in my channel, and also share my channel with all others. Okay. And another very important thing is, everyone please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, so you will know the topic or the subject up to that point only. The balance you cannot understand and you will not know. Okay, even if you skip, so after the some time again resume from that topic, then you can get knowledge. Okay, otherwise, so you will not get any knowledge and the topic, so you will not get a full knowledge. So watch till the end, and if necessary, watch more than once, so more times, and you'll get a good knowledge of this topic. And as well as, if there are any problems in the shown in the video, the problems, examples, illustrations, everything shown should be, you have to work out or practice on the tally frame, so many number of times. So if you work out many number of times, you will get expert knowledge. And then, after watching the full video, if the video is good, please like the video. If you like the video, YouTube people will share this video to many people, so that many people can watch this video and learn this topic. So now we will enter into the topic. So here in the previous video, we filed GSTR1 for the month of April. We filed the GSTR1. Okay, but this is the what you call demo portal. That is only a demo portal. So okay, dummy portal is. So all the features you will get in this, it will look similar and work similar to the real portal, but this is not the real portal. Okay, now first of all, you have to go to the address bar. You have to type the address gst.gov.in. So this is the page will open, and then you have to click this login, and you have to give the username and password. My username and password is given, and then give the captcha 313453, and then click. So this is the home page. This is the article, return homepage, returns homepage. So return is also called return dashboard. So in the return dashboard, all these will be shown. They are not working. So for for totally 5 periods, it will show whether filed or not, GSTR1 or IFF for quarterly and 3B. So here it is something like August, and all these are not working, just doing that. And now we go to the return dashboard. So this is the thing. And if you go to the dashboard, in this case, you will know the electronic liability register. So if you go to the return dashboard, you will see the balances here in this balance. So this electronic cash ledger, there is a balance of CGST, HGST 250 each. In the case of electronic credit ledger, ITC credit ledger, IGST 500, CGST, HGST 400 plus 400 is the amount of the balance. That is balance from carry forward from the last month. Okay, and now already we filed GSTR1. So the GSTR1 indicates that discloses the liability. So that liability is shown in the electronic liability register. So whatever is disclosed or filed in the GSTR1, that is the liability. The liability is shown in the balance, ledger balances liability. After filing the 3B, we will adjust the ITC. Then only some balance will be left. So that balance will be shown, that I will show you. This is the, actually note down this. See here. Here you see. See here, you can see here. So this is the amount we disclosed. This is the liability. See, liability 40,860 IGST, CGST is 1,21,378.32. 2038. This is the liability we disclosed in the GSTR1. I'll show you how. And now see here, GSTR1 I filed. So if you go to this register, if you go to this one, this is the thing. And now go to the file returns. So in this case, we already filed for the month of April. We already filed this. You see, we already filed this one. This is the thing. So this is carried forward. That is auto populated to GSTR-3B. So if you go to this first quarter, and if you go to April, and if you go to this monthly return, this one, you see that amount, that is the liability which is disclosed in GSTR1, that is automatically, it is auto populated in this. This is the amount. You can see the amount here. So this is the amount of the liability, and you see, so the same thing. So this is the liability disclosed. So this is the liability, and it is shown in the opening balance. That is in the cash balance. That is above the cash balance. That is the liability ledger. Liability ledger means the liability when you enter, that liability will be shown there. Okay. Now we have to go to, in this 3B, we have to go to this one. This is okay. So this is the liability, and here whatever we purchase from the suppliers, some suppliers, so they will file the GSTR1. Then the liability which they, I mean the parties from where we purchased, our ITC we will get from them. So that will be open to GSTR2B. GSTR2B, that will be updated to be 2B will be created from the GSTR1 filed by the suppliers. So the GSTR1 we are filing, so that will be generated by it will be shown in the 2B of the respective parties. Similarly, what we purchase, the suppliers after filing GSTR1, so all the purchases we made will be automatically shown, automatically created in the GSTR2B, that is called as the ITC. So in this case, from 2B, it will be automatically auto-populated to the table number 4. So this is auto-populated from GSTR1, the liability, and ITC will be created in the GSTR2B, that will be auto-populated in the 3B under table 4. So eligible ITC. But here, this is only dummy portal. There is no creditors filing, and we will not get in the 2B, and it will not become here. That's why what we have to do is that is the 2B, and transferring to this eligible ITC is related to purchases. So what we have to do here, this is a dummy portal. Here we will enter the purchases and the tax relating to purchases we will make manually. So click here. So this is the thing, and here see, this is the purchases, and actually when they purchase the 2B, all the details will come and they will be transferred to this. And here also if we click, we'll get all the details, but here we are making manually. We will make only the taxes. Okay, so in this case, go to this place. So this is the ITC, eligible ITC, that is auto populated from 2B, but we are entering here now. So here it automatically will show, but here, so this is the ITC, import of goods, import of services. This is inward supplies, liable to reverse charge. So all these don't have. We have, this is from ISO, we don't have ISD. So we have only all others are called the ITC which you get is called all other supplies. So in this we have to enter. So in this case, integrated tax, sales tax, and central tax. So the taxable value not required. Integrated tax, 31, integrated tax, 3 lakhs, sorry, not 3 lakhs. So integrated tax is, this is the integrated tax, that 3,14,825.76. So we have to enter here. So integrated tax, this is the integrated tax. We have to enter here. That is all other ITC we have to enter. So we have to enter here all other ITC. What is the amount? So that 3,14,825.76. 3,14,825.76. We have to enter 3,84,000 48,000, sorry, 3,14,825. Then click tab. So it will go to the next one. This is 70,268.44. 70,268.44. If you place the cursor here, the zeros will not go. So if you click here, tab, it will go automatically. It is selected. When you type the amount rate, that will go. And again here also 70,268.44. 70,268.44. This is the eligible ITC. And then any reversal, that is reduction, will show here. Net amount will be shown. Net ITC, the same is transferred here. The same is transferred to this place. Okay. And now, so this is the automatically, it is auto populated. Actually from 2B, it is auto populated, but we made it magically this one. Okay. So here if you see, this is the thing. And in the opening balance, that is for transfer from last year, IGST 500, CGST 400, and HGST 400. And 250 is ITC, CGST and HGST cash balance. That will be shown in this one. I will show you. So this is the thing. So there is no other things here. There is no other things. What we have to do is to file this now. What we have to do is we have to save this one. So we have to confirm. So first table you will go and go to this, go to down. So you have to confirm this table, and then this table it is not taking. Okay, it's okay, not required. And this table again at the end. So confirm this table, confirmed, and go to this one. This is the ITC. So click this table also. Confirm means it is correct. So we are confirming this. This also we are confirming. And then next one is this one, exempted, nil, rated, etc. Nothing is there. So confirm this also and close this. And here also the last one, interest, etc. And this also confirm. Okay. This all. Okay. We confirmed everything. Now before filing, we have to save the total GSTR-3B. So what you have to do is save GSTR-3B. If you click that, so it will be saved, and anyhow within few seconds, just this is called refresh. So click this and refresh. Okay, refresh this one. So refreshed. So it is completed. Okay. After refreshing only, this will show proceed to payment. That is, now we have to make the payment. Means if the ITC and liability is there, if the liability is more, the balance amount you have to pay. If the ITC is more, so that amount is adjusted to the liability. In the ITC is more, means the balance ITC will be carried forward to next month. So here you see, we'll go to that. So here, this is the liability and this is the ITC. ITC is more. So that's why the balance will be transferred to the next year, next period, next month, and this total amount is that automatically, that is set off. It is called adjusted against the ITC. Then liability is less, means we need not pay anything. That's the thing. That is the meaning of proceed to payment. Means whether to pay means adjust. Just is called as adjustment. Set off. If you click this, another table has to open. That is table 6. It's not opening here in this. So in this case, you see the balance I showed you. So I showed you the balance. So here, this is the thing. So cash balance I showed you 250, CGST, HGST 250, and ITC ledger balance. See here. So this is the ITC for this month, and old balance is 500. Total 3,15,325.76. 3,15,000. That is automatically at the time of payment. In the last time, at the time of payment, the amounts will be automatically rounded off. So it is 76 paisa. So 26. And here in this case, 70,006 total, including 400, 70,660. That is the current month ITC plus old ITC balance. Total will be added and shown here. That will be used to adjust against the liability. And this is also 70,668.44 paisa. Remove that. So 688. This is the ITC available. Okay. And in this IGC, what we have to do is we have to set off or adjust against the liability. So liability is adjusted against the ITC. Okay, we come here. Here, I already in the last videos I will show you the video number I will give you, and I will give you the Excel file also for practicing the how to make as per the rules. What are the set off rules? How to make the set off? The same thing we can hear. So they can practice there. We can do here. This is the set off. That is payment of taxes. This is payment of taxes. So here it is shown as, see, This is the liability. This is the liability, and this liability is to be adjusted against the ITC. Okay, here. So 30. First of all, what to do? As per the rule, first of all, you have to adjust. We have to take the IGST, and this IGST is to be adjusted first against IGST. If any balance is left against CGST and HGST in any order or any amount. Okay. So in this case, the total amount is, you see, 3,15,326. Sorry, 3,15,326 is the ITC available. That is IGST. So first to take IGST. So that is adjusted against the IGST 40,860. So minus 40,860 adjusted. Still the balance left is 2,74,466. Then that can be adjusted against this IGST can be adjusted against anyone. So IGST over, then CGST and HGST. So here there are 2,74,000. Total amount will be around 2,40,000 change, 42,000. Okay, so more than that. So what you do? First of all, this is adjusted against the IGST is adjusted against the central tax also 1,21,378. 1,21,378. It is also sorry. 3,15,326, and out of that adjustment made is first adjustment is made minus 40,860 adjusted, and then here minus 1,21,378 adjusted. Still there is balance, so that can be adjusted against the CGST also minus 1,21,378. So total amount is totally IGST itself is used. IGST itself is enough to set off all the three. So we are not touching CGST, HGST. So the CG and HGST, the balance is left as it is. These two are carried forward to next month, and out of this amount, after adjustment, the balance is 31,710. So that is also transferred. It will be transferred, carried forward to next month. So now payment is made. Now what to do is here this payment, you have to make the payment. That means if anything is payable, you have to create the challan and make the payment. If now this, what you call, we need not pay anything, now we have to post this to credit ledger. So this amount is adjusted. So in the credit ledger there is some balance. This is to be reduced from the credit ledger because we are using to adjust this. So that is called as make payment, means pay challan, or post to credit ledger. This amount is to be reduced from the credit ledger because we are utilizing the credit. So click this, and here see warning. Yes, you share. You give us, see here, offset successful. So this is offset means adjustment successful. Adjustment is successful. Okay, come here. So here, this is the amount, and this is successful. Now, after that, it will show. So proceed to file. Before that, not showing. After payment or posting the credit to the credit ledger, then only it will. So now proceed to file. So just like the one GSTR. So this page will come. We have to declare that yes, and then take the number you select, and here also we will get the so EVC. So EVC will click file with EVC. DSC is not required. So if you get this will come, and there is some timer will run, but is not timer is not given. So we will get the ITC here. You will get the ITC. So in the ITC, so in the this one, see one time password you got. So ITC we got, that is OTP. OTP we got, and this OTP will be entered here. Enter the OTP, verify, click, and then so it is complete. Verification is completed. So filing is successful. After that, we will get this message of filing the return. We will get to the email and mobile also successfully filed, and ARN number, that is acknowledgement reference number. This is the ARN number. So this is the acknowledgement reference number. Okay. So now it is filed. So okay, when you file this, so out of the total amount, see, out of this is the total amount we got. Out of that, we used the liability, that is liability SETOFF. So the balance will be left. What is the balance? You see, this will be the balance 31,770 IGST, and CGSTHS total is left. Okay, that is the balance. Next transfer to, that is forward to next month. This is the balance left of this. Okay, that we will see that. And now if you go this here, go to see 1 April. If you see, so this is the thing. So this is filed. This is also showing as filed. So to view, click this, go and see. So this is filed. See, this is paid. Actually, this is showing and this is showing. Another table will come here, table number 6. In that, how you paid. This is the amount liability, the ITC. This is the liability. How you paid this liability? This liability is paid. All these three are paid through ITC only, credit only. So it will show paid by cash. So if you pay anything, either RCM or anything, if you pay by cash, it will show paid in cash, so much amount, paid with ITC, paid with credit ledger, or paid with ITC. It will show the total amount is paid. It will show total amount. It will show paid with ITC. In another table that is called as, this is the heading is table 6, called as payment of taxes. But is this one? It is not coming. So now we are closing this, and now we will go to the dashboard. So you go to the dashboard. You see, if you go to the dashboard, and dashboard in the sense here, dashboard. If you click in the dashboard, you see this liability is completed because the liability is adjusted against the ITC. So liability is closed, and this cash balance 240 to 250. It is actually 250 something is done. So 250 is there already. In this one, what is the balance? So the cash ledger, credit ledger is there. Then the credit ledger world balance, that this month balance added, and out of that, what is the amount adjusted, set off, the balance is left for next month. This will be carried forward to next month. So here, if you see the balance, see what is the balance here? This is the thing. Sorry, not this one. So you see in this. If you see in this, you can know, open and balance. See here, what is the balance? 3,000, 31,710. This is showing paise. That is not the correct thing. Okay. And IGST 70,668.44. 70,668 both. So this is the balance left after adjustment. These two are untouched, not adjusted. This is only thing adjusted. After adjustment, this is the balance left. So that is left. This is carried forward to the next month. Okay. So this is the thing. Like this, we have to file the GSTR-3B. Now we can do, this can be closed. We can log out this. So Babu Rao, so log out. Actually, it will be here only, but it's a dummy. It is not showing. On the stop, it is showing. So logged out. So it is logged out. Okay. Like this, we have to show the, this is the, see, this is, so one time password. This is the intimation of the RN. So filed successfully, and the acknowledgement, that is time was August 2nd, 12/16. We paid, we filed it, and ARN number. ARN means acknowledgement reference number. This is the number, acknowledgement reference number. So this is sent to the, and this I am deleting, and this is something, this also I am deleting. So I am keeping this. This can also we can delete, no problem. Okay, this is the thing, and this is the method of posting, method of filing the GSTR-3B live. That is the posting manually on the GSTR portal. Okay, this is a dummy portal. So some functions are functioning, some are not functioning, but anyhow, totally we learned how to file this. So with this, I am closing the session. In the next video, we'll meet with another important topic. Okay, bye.